is an activation of the Amber Alert system. We have just received this important information regarding an abducted child in Yakima City, Washington. The Yakima Police Department is looking for a child who was last seen at Yakima City, Washington, and is believed to be in danger. The child is Angeles Revuelta Buenrostro. She is a 15-year-old Hispanic, female with brown hair and brown eyes. She is believed to be 5 feet 5 inches tall, weighing 125 pounds. She was last seen wearing a blue hooded sweatshirt and torn jeans. Authorities say that the child may be in the company of Daniel Ovent. He is a 36-year-old Hispanic, male with brown hair and brown eyes. He is believed to be 5 feet 6 inches tall, weighing 140 pounds, with unknown identifying features. They may be traveling in a 2-door black Ford F-150 pickup with side step with a Arizona license plate number BYR6257. Suspect has a felony warrant and is considered armed and dangerous. If you have any information on the whereabouts of this child, please contact the Yakima Police Department at 5-0-94-5-70-2-0-7 or dial 911 immediately.
Wait, it's a take to the EOM something.